Hello students, we have to solve this question. Okay, so a function is given, f of x is equal to mx if x is less than 3, and f of x is equal to n if x is equal to 3, and f of x is equal to minus 2x plus 9 if x is greater than 3. And it is also given that f of x is continuous function, so we will take the point x is equal to 3, and we will use the properties of continuous function. It means that if we approach x from the left side, then we will use this function. Okay, uh, and if x is equal to 3, then we will use this one, and if x is greater than 3, then we will use this function. Okay, and the value of x is equal to 3, or if we approach from left or right side, they must be same. So that's what continuous function mean, that if you approach, for example, what we will do over here, that if we have 3 here, right? So if we approach 3 from the left side, that would mean f of x and limit x tends to 3 negative. Okay, and if we approach from here, that would mean limit f of x and x tends to 3 positive. Okay, so that's what it means. Okay, and both the value will be same. So it means if you have f of 3 is equal to this one, right? So it would mean that if you come from this side, you will get this value, and if you come from this side, you will get this value. Okay, and also it x is equal to 3, it will also give you this same value. So that would mean continuous. And if you look into the perspective, like, to if you compare this continuous function with discontinuous function, so the example of a discontinuous function will be like this. So if you have 3 over here, and if you have a function, right, and there is a hole, so that would mean that this function is not continuous. And another example is if you have like minus 3, and the function is like this, up to here it's this one, and from here it is like this. So in this case, if you approach minus 3 from the left side, you get this value, and if you approach minus 3 from the right side, you will get this value. So both the values are different, so that is why this function will be discontinuous. So now let's come to this one. Okay, so first we will use the left hand limit. Okay, so left hand limit. For left hand limit, we will use limit x approaches 3 from left side, and f of x. And for that, since we are approaching 3 from left side, so it means that we will be using value of x less than 3, so we are going to use this function. Okay, mx. So it will be mx, and now we can replace x with 3, so it will be f of 3 is equal to 3m. So that is the value of left hand limit. Okay, so similarly right hand limit. So for right hand limit, so we will use limit x tends to plus 3 f of x, and that will be equal to, we are going to use this function because we are approaching x from the greater value of x. So basically we will be like we are coming from this side. Okay, so we'll use this one, so it will be minus 2x plus 9, and technically we will have to write over here the limit as well, x tends to plus 3. Okay, so now we can replace the value f of 3, and here minus 2 times 3 plus 9, so it will be minus 6, so it will be 3 over here. Okay, so the left hand limit and right hand limit, we got these two values. Okay, and similarly we can, yeah, uh, we can use f of x like it's given here. F of x is equal to n, like at exact x is equal to 3, we will use this f of uh, f of 3 like when x is equal to 3, so what will be the value of function? So it will be n. Okay, so we are going to use these three values. So we got f of 3 is equal to 3, and f of 3 is equal to 3m, and f of 3 is equal to n, and they all are same. Okay, so it means that we can compare them. So it would mean that 3m is equal to n, okay, and it is also equal to 3. So it means that n is equal to 3, that is the first value, and then 3m is equal to 3, so m is equal to 1. So that's how we can find the value of n and m. So I hope it is clear. Okay, okay, so we have another question. F of x is equal to 2x square root 2x plus 5 under the square root minus x plus 7 under the square root. Okay, so it is x plus 7. Okay, divided by x minus 2 if x is not equal to 2, and the function is equal to k if x is equal to 2. Okay, so and the function is continuous. It means that let's say we have this function, this is 1 and this is 2, right, and this is k. So it means that the function value is equal to k when when x is equal to 2, right? So it means that f of 2 is equal to k, and when we approach to 2, the value of function is this one, right? For continuous function, so you approach from this side or this side, the result has to be like this. Okay, it will not be either like this or like this, here and here. Okay, so this is one type of discontinuous function, and this is the second type of discontinuous function. So in this situation, as I explained in the first question, that f of 2 value does not exist, and in this case left and right hand limit are not equal. So in both the cases the function is not continuous. Okay, so we will use this approach. Since the function is continuous, so we will write that f of 2 is equal to, when we plug 2, right, so we will take k, so that is the first value. And if we take limit, right, so limit x tends to x approaches 2, so either we are approaching to 2 from left or right side. Okay, and f of x, so at this place, since this is the situation where x is not equal to 2 but we are coming close to 2 from left or right side, so we will use this one. Okay, so it will be equal to 2x plus 5 under the square root, and then minus x plus 7 under the square root divided by 2, and we will have to write limit as well over here. So limit x tends to 2. Okay, so x minus 2, sorry, and we cannot directly plug 2, otherwise this will be undefined. Okay, since we will get 0 in denominator, and that will give us undefined. Okay, so what we will do, we will rationalize it. Okay, so how can we rationalize this? We will multiply and divide both sides by conjugate of this one, so it will be 2x plus 5 minus x plus x plus 7, and in denominator as well, 2x plus 5 plus x plus 7. And now if you multiply them, right, so you will get a square minus b square, right, so it will be 2x plus 5 square minus 2 minus x plus 7 square. Okay, and divide by x minus 2 times 2x plus 5 plus x plus 7. Okay, so and we have still limit over here, x tends to 2. Okay, so it will be this square can cancel out this square root, right, so it will be 2x plus 5 minus this minus will be applied on x plus 7, so it will be minus x minus 7, right, and that will be, and limit will still keep going till we don't plug this x is equal to 2. Okay, so it will be x minus 2 and then 2x plus 5 and plus x plus 7. Okay, so this will be equal to x tends to 2, right? Okay, so it will be 2x minus x is x tends to 2, and it will be x plus 2 and x minus 2 and then 2x plus 5 plus x plus 7. Okay, and now we can cancel out this, and after cancelling out this x minus 2 from, okay, just a minute, this is minus 2 because my plus 5 minus 7 is minus 2. Okay, so now we can plug it, because if we plug x is equal to 2, then we will not get undefined, right? So we will just replace x with 2 since we will have some value, right? So it will be 1 over 2 times 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 7. So it will be 1 over 4 plus 5 9, right? So 9 square root plus 9 square root, so we will have 3 plus 3, so 1 over 6. And we already found that uh, f of 2 is equal to k, right? So it will be, so we have like limit x tends to 2, f of x is equal to 1 over 6. That is one situation, and then we have f of 2 is equal to k. So now we can compare them, these are equal, so k is equal to 1 over 6, right? So I hope it is clear to you.